ठीक है यहाँ पे
थोड़ा सा इधर थोड़ा मैम को आगे कीजिए ना मैम थोड़ा आगे ना
चलो इनका कर लो मैं
सोलो कर ले सोलो नसीम भाई रिक्शे को हटाओ
नसीम भाई
वेट
या मैम दिस मैम हाय मैम दिस साइड मैम
इधर कानून का इधर मैम दिस फुल प्रोफाइल
मैम दिस साइड
इधर मैम
Most welcome ji, most welcome. How are you?
वेलकम टू मुंबई
Hello, hello.
थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए सब लोग पीछे आ जाइए थोड़ा
Look here.
मैम दिस साइड मैम
वेट
मैम दिस साइड वेट
लुक स्टिल
मैम सेंटर लुक मैम सेंटर
Left.
दिस साइड
Yes, look here. Yeah.
पीछे से छाप ले रखेंगे वॉकिंग लुक हियर चेन पोस्ट
साथ में
क्या बात है?
यस दिस साइड मैम
क्या बात?
फिलीपींस से
क्या बात है?
वेलकम टू मुंबई
Thank you very much. Thank you for the warm hospitality. I'm so
Look is so beautiful.
thank you. This is the reaction from
चलो स्टार्ट
India is amazing. I really love the people. The food, surprisingly, we love it. And yes, we love. I really love the experience here in India. First and foremost, I love the people. You're so warm and hospitable, and I love the food. I'm surprised that I love the Indian food.
As you mentioned about the food, so what particularly you tried in India, like what cuisine or what kind of food you had tried in India?
We have our guide, thanks to Mohammed. He was like making us try different food, and there was what was the bread that was my
She
favorite.
had chole bhature in Taj. Especially she wanted to visit Taj, and Taj mein socho she just went and she wanted to have only chole bhature because the bread was soft. And she's staying in Westin. वहाँ पे सिर्फ उसने South Indian masala dosa खाया because she's loving amazing food. And yesterday night she had vada pav.
And we love it.
She has her all family also. She's making everything have Indian food.
Thank you very much for
So, it's my
for the
pleasure.
experience. Thank you guys for.
The most challenging question or the most difficult question you have been asked in the second, and how was it?
Well, question is always like part of my everyday work because I meet a lot of people every day, and question nothing really is challenging for me because I think that's part of the learning experience I have been through. Challenge is part of life, so that's it.
So what would you like to say about the charity that you are doing?
When I joined the pageant, it was really with the hope that I could reach more people, to help more children. And I'm so happy that the pageant organization is really into charity for education. I believe that education is the bedrock of a positive change. If you want to change the country, you want to improve, it all starts with education. And in collaboration with the pageant organizers, and I am here and I'm hoping to be an instrument to change and touch lives, especially for children. And we are more focused on education because education is the root of everything.
You know, in these times, how you make yourself feel motivated and inspired each and every day when you wake up. So, how you make yourself go each and every day apart from all the challenges?
You know, every day I take it as a gift to be able to wake up and to live. For me, it's really already a gift. So I am motivated. First and foremost, I also have my family. I have my husband with me. I have 2 kids, and this is a big motivation for me to keep going, especially my kids. And recently, I feel like I found my calling. I said that I have been blessed in many ways, in terms of business, in terms of friends, in terms of family. I said that my calling, I feel like, is to really help and touch more people's lives.
You have won after, like, there was a lot of challenges and there was a lot of competition, 12 countries. How does it feel like you're standing here with that crown? So, how does it feel to be,
Hey.
coming from that crown?
To be honest, it's like when I was called and there was the national anthem, I felt touched and it felt different. I try to imagine it because I try to manifest always. For me, life starts with manifestation, but it feels different having the crown here on top of my head. But I know that beauty comes with responsibility, and I am happy to embrace and embark the responsibility that goes with this crown.
Aditya, do you want to say something?
After COVID, it's like we had our 4 seasons before the COVID, and this is like the first season we resumed after COVID. So this is our 5th season, and after like doing 5 seasons, I finally received like a beautiful queen, and I really have a very huge expectations from her, and somewhere I believe like she will overcome all of the expectations. So hopefully we are blessing for a good training period for her, and yes, definitely we will be.
आदित्य भाई, क्या आप पूछो उनसे बॉलीवुड में भी एक्टिंग करने की सोचा है कभी?
So she is asking me like, would you
Interested to be a part of
have a
Indian
Bollywood
cinema
industry?
if you get opportunity.
You know, I say like maybe, you know, I will cross the bridge when I get there, but it would be amazing. Like Bollywood is something like I always admire, and your stars are beautiful. And when you're saying that, would I be interested? I feel honored because I feel like you're saying that I'm beautiful.
शॉर्ट में समझा रहा हूँ, उसको बोलना आना है.
And the best thing is, in 5 seasons, she is the first Philippines to win the crown.
Yeah, exactly.
Before it was Malaysia, Vietnam,
Thank you.
Kazakhstan, but Philippines, they used to come, they used to participate, but we did not find that potential. But our national director, Aida, please come. She's always busy in her Indian attire. She's the national director who had been promoting her, and she bought, but amazing. सिर्फ इनके pageant attend करने के लिए उनके husband Bulgaria से आए. Please join. Come. Came from Bulgaria, and also she bought all her team because it was her first time to visit. Tomorrow they are going Taj Mahal, then from Jaipur they have plans. Coming back we have some special event again for the charity.
Yes.
But all their team, amazing team, makeup artist, world's best makeup artist.
Yes.
She bought. Please come here. World's best makeup artist, who has very renowned #1 makeup artist of Philippines. She just bought them all the crew from Philippines, and also a stylist.
Chris?
Chris from Philippines. They got everyone. मतलब पूरी जो टीम उन्होंने लेके आए ना, पूरी फिलीपींस की टीम इंडिया में आपको नजर आएगी, just because she was very proud and she wanted to do her best thing.
Yes.
So she bought her family, mother-in-law from Bulgaria, small 4-year child.
Yes.
She had lot of trouble, had to go throughout, again child. She used to maintain, but finally she made the crown. Hopefully 1 year, I hope the best training for you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Yeah?
I, you know, I said that a beauty queen is not just about being beautiful physically. It is very important that for a beauty queen, you have to be beautiful inside. And the crown comes with our responsibility. And I feel like that's one of my calling. That's why probably I have been led to this path to perform or to be part of this organization so I can help more people.
I just have that all the best for her, and I hope our decision and all the decision, you know, the special thing, Supriya Shukla ma'am, Arshi Khan, Roshni Kapoor and all the judges जो celebrities हैं इंडिया के, उन्होंने आके select किया कि no, Philippines is the winner. They were all there for 3 hours judging her, and she did amazing, and all the celebrities decided that she is the winner, and I am proud that she is a part because of Aida. You all are very good, styling best, makeup best, and amazing work. Thank you so much, guys. Be supporting like this always. Honestly. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
for coming, guys. Thank you so much for coming.
Minute, they will take a visual individual. Okay, individual with the biggest channel.
Okay.
I will just say this award show, it was one mesmerizing show I have ever been, and each and every contestant, they were so good, they were like glittering, sparkling, they were so nice, and अलग अलग कंट्री से हमारे यहाँ पे शो पे जो लोग आए हैं उन लोगों ने अपना टैलेंट बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया है, and I will say all thanks to Mr. आदित्य खुराना and मोहम्मद नगमन लतीफ़, जिन्होंने इस शो को आज कहाँ से कहाँ तक ये लोग लेके आए थे. सीज़न 5 आई थिंक या तो ये सीज़न 5 जो है, मैं चाहती हूँ उनको हमेशा से मेरी दुआ है कि ये सीज़न आगे के आगे चलता रहे और इस तरह से सारे टैलेंट्स को यहाँ पे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिले और वो और आगे बढ़े. थैंक यू.
हेलो एवरीवन. यू नो दैट ऑफ कोर्स अभी बार बार इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, आज फिर से दे देते हैं. माई सेल्फ इरम फरीदी, प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ इरम्स एंटरटेनमेंट. I would really feel so good after attending this function, even Continental International Award Show, which is organized by Mohammed Nagman and Aditya Khurana. Amazing person I met, and first time Irams Entertainment and Rabia International collaboration. We did work together, and it is really feels so good by heart. And what a lovely function it was. Influencers and international celebrities was here, Philippines, Bhutan, Bangladesh, India, and it is really feel proud that India also along with the Philippines. Mrs. Philippines is she's there. She was a winner, and for Miss it was India, Astha, and she's my friend, and I just. She won the crown, and I cannot have a word to say that in front of media. It feels so immensely grateful if you give honor to our own country people. So it was like that. And what else you want to ask me? This time, Arabia International, my company, I am the director of that company. We provide business solutions for GCC. So we were the part of that, and we provided the PR. It is just a helping hand to Mohammed Nagman and Aditya Khurana, who is a man of the world. So Arabia International did their duty, and our project is like from Irams Entertainment. We are upcoming film. meet Mrs. Chang, which won 22nd International Film Festival till yet. And yes, we are knocking the door. We are coming up with a very big OTT. That's countdown started, and we are coming with the second film, Fedora Wrinkles, which is also ready. And the Gadar fame, Mr. Manish Wadhwa, and our that Dadi Ali Asgar, Sushmita Mukherjee did the main lead. So kind of a very good project we have done, and it's kind of the grace is my grace, and God is giving me the grace. I'm so feeling so good by heart. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
मेरा मैम विजुअल से विजुअल हुआ